What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are starting another vlog at like 7 a.m. I really don't know why I wake up this early for these events. But today we are taking my E36 M3 on the longest trip it has ever been on. It is like a little over 500 miles round trip. It's a very long trip, and it's going through some of the best driving roads in Michigan. So I am all geared up. I'm waiting on my friend Steven right now with his E46 M3. We are reset our turbo odometer at 0 consumption, reset. But let's go ahead and hop on the road. So we've now been on the road for like 55 miles, and it's almost 8 o'clock, and it's getting brighter out. So I kind of figured I'd explain some more details about this. So one, this road trip it starts in Traverse City, which is where we are off to right now, at a place called M22 Detailing. This is through the West Michigan Empower Club, which is the same club that I did my 2 track days with. So it's a group drive. It's supposed to be fun. We're going up towards Northport, and then we're gonna go back down the west side of the state and I don't know, some lake or something that I've been told is really good for photos. So you bet I'll be taking photos. I was gonna have a cameraman with me today, but he unfortunately got sick, so now I have an empty passenger seat, which is so tragic. Akul, I miss you. He was really sad to not get to come on this drive. Then as far as the car goes, it was down for like a couple of weeks, so I had my front control arm, the outer ball joint, like unpressed itself, or it was like falling out of the housing. Like, I don't know, it was really weird. I had a sudden alignment change as I was pulling off of a racetrack. I wasn't racing, but it was a car show, and I noticed as soon as I got back out on the road, my steering wheel was like this. It was super far off. I was like, it's probably fine, because it felt tight. And then I got back, I looked under the car, I saw the control arm, I'm like, oh, that's not good. And then I didn't drive it because it looked pretty unsafe. No control arm, no steering. That's no bueno. So I ended up getting that fixed. But those are just kind of a couple of quick updates with the car. Everything else is going well. We are cruising at 80, no misfire, averaging, well, it was a 27, dropped a little bit, but considering we've been going like 80 the whole way, I'll take over 20 miles to the gallon. That's a-okay with me. God damn it. So we just put gas in the car. We are basically there. We met up with everyone, but we're still waiting on people. Well, while we're waiting, we're gonna go get gas. And premium up here in Traverse City is under $5. So I fit every last ounce of gas in there as I could. I'm not sure how much like vlogging I'm gonna do with everyone there, because I thought it was gonna be a bigger group and I can kind of just do my own thing, but we're short a couple of cars, which is still cool, but I'm kind of hesitant about shoving a camera in everyone's face. So literally right as I got back, we basically just kind of got up and left. A couple of cars showed up. So we are now on the road. There's a couple of E46 M3s, an E39 M5, 5 Series, and a couple of other cars. So this will be fun. We're now at the state park, and I'm currently in the car because it is incredibly windy outside and the audio is probably going to be total garbage, but we're going to walk out and look at some of these cars because I haven't really showed you guys any of them yet. So we got an E36 M3. We have a diesel 3 Series, which is kind of rare. You don't really see these very often. A 535 Xi E60, and my personal favorite, E39 M5 with a red interior, which is absolutely bonkers, and red wheels. I freaking love E39 M5s. They're just great. And then all the way over there, we have mine and Steven's car right here. We're about like 250 miles into the trip, which for me is almost half of the round trip. I think we're gonna go into the roads next that are curvier, so I'm gonna throw the half mount on, and then hopefully everything goes well, we don't run into issues, and we just have a bunch of fun driving. This far, put down in the comments down below what you think, or just write your favorite BMW down in the comments down below. I want to know what your guys' favorites are. I really like that M5 up there. Oh man, this is beautiful though, gorgeous. Alright, ready? I'm gonna be an a-hole here for a second. Oh my god, the Titan intake, the induction sound is just so whoosh. It's so gnarly. And also my alignment's off, which you may have noticed. I haven't bothered to get it aligned yet after the control arm because I know I'm doing the rears and I just want to do it all at once, but so we are now over 300 miles into the trip, which has marked the halfway point. We just got some food and we're now about to head out on our last stretch to the final location, which is where we're gonna grab some photos at. The driving so far has been really good. I've been very happy that the car has been not acting up. It's been doing really well. So I'm happy with that. I think we're just gonna do the final stint, and I'm looking at my odometer here. I might hit over 247 today. I don't know, we'll see, but I'm trying to go for my high score here. Oh my god, damn! Ah. Woohoo! Wow! All right, everyone, that's it. We are here, and it is beautiful. We have all the cars lined up along the ocean here. Up along the ocean here. I'm gonna pretend I didn't say that. Oh man, looks gorgeous. Car made the trip nice. That's probably a thumbnail. Car made the trip nice. We're at 400 miles on the odometer. I can't remember how many it is to get back. I think it'll be over 500 miles on the trip odometer by the time we get back, but we'll see. It was definitely some good driving. Now I'm just hoping she makes the trip back. The E36 M3 up there has a steering rack trouble, which is unfortunate, but I'll see you guys when I get back. We are now back. The car made it back safe and sound, and you can tell we had a good time because there is a load of brake dust on this wheel. I don't know why, but this wheel always gets more brake dust than the other side. It's happened ever since I had that one stuck caliper, but anyway, we clocked a total of, and get ready, I'm about to do the BMW thing, 527.9 miles. And then we averaged about, totally forgot, gotta put the key in. And, you know, obligatory BMW light. All right, 26.4 miles to the gallon. 26.4 after we're all said and done. Over 500 miles an entire day. This has been the longest trip I've ever taken this car in one go, and honestly, it's given me a lot of confidence in the car. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and comment down below literally anything. Make sure to, in the video I told you to comment something down below, so if you saw that in the video, comment that down below. I want to see your answers. But keep it fresh, and I will see you in the next one.